Transforming memories into tangible keepsakes is simple with the generic 50x50mm photo magnet press. This kit is a gateway. It opens up a world of creative possibilities. You can turn favorite photos into fridge magnets. It's truly a fun, engaging craft. Imagine your child's artwork. Picture cherished family moments. Both can become magnets. This machine makes it all possible. It's a complete set, and it brings your images to life. Furthermore, it adds personality to any metallic surface. This generic 50x50mm photo magnet press is an impressive tool. It's perfect for gifts or personal use. The kit includes everything. You get a press machine. There's also a paper cutter. Plus, 200 sets of consumables are provided. Therefore, you can start right away. The paper cutter ensures precise sizing. This means your images will fit perfectly. The press machine works smoothly. It bonds the magnet components together. Creating magnets is intuitive. Thus, even beginners can succeed. Setting up is quick. The process is straightforward. In fact, it's like magic, but it's real. This generic 50x50mm photo magnet press empowers creativity. Overall, this magnet maker kit is a fantastic investment. It's durable. It's also reliable. You'll enjoy countless hours of magnet making. Furthermore, it fosters creativity. It also encourages personalization. This kit is a treasure. It allows you to freeze time. It also makes memories stick around. Whether for personal enjoyment or small business ventures, this kit delivers. It turns fleeting moments into lasting impressions. Pros: easy to use, fun for creative DIY projects, compact and portable design, complete kit with tools, produces high-quality magnets, ideal for unique gifts, beginner-friendly operation. Durable metal construction, high success magnet rate, fast magnet creation, encourages personal creativity, includes paper cutter features. Makes 2x2-inch square magnets, also makes 50x50mm magnets, DIY photo fridge magnets, includes one press machine, comes with one paper cutter, has 200 sets of consumables, all in one magnet. Making kit, easy to use for crafting, create custom magnets, complete magnet making set. This generic 2x2-inch square magnet maker machine kit lets you easily make your own fridge magnets. It's a complete set that comes with one press machine and one paper cutter. You also get 200 sets of materials to start making magnets right away. This kit is perfect for making 2x2-inch, 50x50mm square photo magnets. And it's simple enough for anyone to use for fun crafting projects. This kit lets you make your own 2x2-inch square magnets. It comes with everything you need: a press machine, a paper cutter, and enough parts to make 200 magnets. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and helps you create fun, personalized magnets quickly. The machine is small, so you can take it anywhere. And it's built to last. You'll end up with great looking magnets perfect for gifts or just for fun.